So what's your major that you're going for?
I'm doing supply chain management. I'm in the process of transferring right now.
Okay.
That's why I'm doing this semester, and
Yeah.
we're out in the East Coast. But yeah, I'm doing supply chain, so I really enjoy it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I used to work in a warehouse for Staples, and they were really huge about teaching us about supply chain and how important it is.
Yeah, that would be fun. I go off the walls whenever I get to do anything like minor supply chain, like even for fun. So.
Oh yeah.
What about you?
It was a very physical job. I was moving the average job to be 1,000 pounds a day by hand, just 6 at a time. It was a killer on the back, but my scout leader when I was growing up was the logistics manager there, so he's the one who ran the entire place. And he loved me.
Wait, does it tutti frutti? Why does it say tutti frutti? It's kind of candy.
Do you want to just kind of look over the questions until Heather gets here?
Yeah, it's kind of bananas to look through and seeing if there's anything else you can.
Yeah. So question 3 and question 4 I was just looking at. I don't know, it may be not this simple, but I'm pretty sure. So the linear, let's see, what am I thinking? Oh, so y-intercept is just 2 and the slope was 1.5. Is that right? Is that what you have? Yeah.
They just, instead of using M and B, they did B subscript 0 and B subscript 1.
Ready? Yep.
And then 5,
okay, are you going to be there? Yep.
16 times 0.25 is 4 out of 3 1.
Wait, sorry, you're kind of breaking up. What were you saying?
Sorry. So for number 5, if x equals 16, 16 times 0.25, that'd be 4, and then 4 plus -3 would be 1.
Yeah, that's what I have too for 5, 1. And 6, have you put in the numbers yet? I went and did that. Just let. If not, let's.
Yeah, I just did that.
Okay, so I got the hot dog shape from the book.
Yeah, that's what I got as well. It's a little spread out on the bottom, but yeah, it basically looks like a hot dog.
Yeah, no, at first I thought it was a banana, but then when I went back to the book, like the banana was like a curved shape, like
Oh yeah, it's really prominent.
yeah, exactly, yeah. So
Yeah, that
I
makes
guess
sense. This one definitely. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
no, yeah, sorry, I was saying the same thing. How like it, because like it kind of you could kind of think, well, with the outliers, it kind of could make it still a curve, but like has to be really like obvious, I guess.
Yeah, I'd be pushing it to say that. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. So for the next question, it asks if it. Let's see. So I would say that simple linear regression is appropriate for these data. So the first one.
Yeah, me too. That's what I was thinking.
And so how many observations are in the data? Is that the number of responses that there was?
See that I'm not sure about. I was confused about that myself. I think a lot of these group quizzes, like I try to I forget to oversimplify it because like it's always like kind of a simple, straightforward answer. Just trying to understand the concept. So yeah, I think you may. Yeah, I think you're right about that. Just like the
That
sample
would be like
size.
that would be 139, I think. Yeah. Trying to see if I wrote anything down about that. I don't know. I would just assume that's the number of responses or number of participants in the quiz.
Did you guys start it already?
We just have been like talking about like some comparing answers. Like we haven't really. So.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'm ready whenever you guys. I guess you guys have it up. So.
Yeah. So question 3 and 4, we got 2. It was just the 2 is the y-intercept for 3, and 4 was 1.5 the slope.
Oh yeah. Okay. So. Oh, the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 2.0, right? What you said?
Right.
And then the slope is 1.5. Okay. Easy enough. Okay. All right. So for number 5, what is the predicted value of y when x is 15? So that would be 7.
It's a -3, so -3 plus 4 would be 1.
Negative 3 plus 4. Sorry.
It's all
Okay.
good.
1. Okay.
So for question 6, we put it in, and it's a little spread out, but we said it was a hot dog shape.
Okay. I'll take your word for it since you guys are waiting for me, I'm sure. What's the difference between a hot dog shape and a banana shape?
So on the
I guess the banana's more curved. And
yeah, on the online textbook thing, they have a graph of each 3 side by side, and it was like, yeah, because I thought it was banana at first, but like the banana's like very very clearly like it has to
curved.
like there's no doubt that it would be completely different. It's not like just the outliers. It's I don't know. But,
okay, I see that. Okay. Okay, then we have 7. Okay, this is what you produced in the last question. Appropriateness of using simple linear regression. It's appropriate.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
There's like a little chart in the textbook that says gives you
Yeah.
the situations for each one.
So you have to like use pictures.
How many observation
Let me show you how to do
data?
that. I mean, sliding.
See, I guess this is just the sample. I'm not
Yeah.
sure what else it could be, you know. So I guess 140. Is that what you guys would think, right?
Yeah.
Was it 140 or was it 139?
You.
I can't remember.
I'm just checking.
Oh,
it.
oh wait. Yeah,
130.
139 because one is like the table. Yeah. That's right. 139.
You.
Okay, what is the y-intercept?
The y-intercept is, I think it's the 18.690 in the table.
Oh, I had 1.296.
Let me
Let's see what I
open
do
this up.
different. Let's see.
You have to do that one. It's roommate. Two. 3 kitties. It's roommate. I'll show you how to do it. You kind of like curl.
Let me just
And then,
here like that.
just actually 2 kitty steps. By the it's roommate. You have to look. And that's enough. 2 the tiniest baby.
Alright, the y-intercept. So
That's tiny. Oh,
I have something totally different.
all the way to the end.
Let me see here. Check. That's
2, 5.
let's see. I'm just putting them back in.
The answer is
Making
not
sure.
5. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, I meant that scissors. So
Um,
that's it. Do this.
His
So what'd you get again on y-intercept?
So
69.369. Is that what you had said before?
I got 18.690.
What the? Okay, because I'm gonna have to make sure this data copied over correctly because this is totally not the same. I have hold on, y-intercept. I have 1.296.
Okay, that's what I had earlier.
Where are you seeing yours at?
So under unstandardized coefficients,
Yeah.
under
Okay, and then there's
the y-intercept, and then so under B.
B not.
yeah. That's weird. Okay, here, I'm gonna reopen this and repaste it in just to make sure, but
So
maybe I pasted it in wrong.
on explanatory variable x, do you have like 50, 83.3 and the scores, and then the confidence mean on the residuals?
Sorry, one second. I just closed it down, so give me 1 second. So yeah, the confidence rating goes underneath the explanatory, right?
And that doesn't change anything, though, does it? As far as like the y-intercept doesn't intercept.
So you have to like bring it. Actually, you run jumping. Oh yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I still got it. That's weird. Okay. So
Yeah, I got.
because hold on.
You have to like get your hands like that. Yeah, that's okay, now you're not. I may have to be this box.
So you have the
Oh.
explanatory variable as the score, right? And the
No, it's the like. Be sure to use. It says on the information
Oh.
section above the question 6. It says, "Be sure to use the confidence data for the
Oh, I have it the
explanatory
wrong way.
variable and the score data as the response variable."
Okay. So I
And so when I put it in like that, I got 18.690.
okay, let's see here.
Wait, so what'd you put in on the left side?
So on the explanatory variable x, you put in the confidence data. This is what the information
Okay.
section is. And then you put the score in the response variable section.
And I gotta bring back the tape. You all give them one, and you the back.
Okay. So now I have 18.690. I think
Okay.
yeah, that makes okay, sorry about that.
Well, that's okay. So that's what I got. I don't know. Unless you see something I'm doing wrong, I think that's what it is.
No, that makes total sense. I didn't see that instruction. 18.690.
Wait, what'd you do to get 18? I'm still confused. Sorry.
So up at in the instructions, when you like, where is it?
Above
Okay,
question 6.
so under the information, like above question 6, it says be sure to use the confidence data for the explanatory variable and the score data as the response variable. So,
Oh, okay.
so in like column A should be the 4.34, 4.73, 5.28, that column.
Right.
And then in the response variable, it should read like 50, 83.3, 76.7, and so on.
Gotcha.
So it's backwards from the spreadsheet with the information on it.
Hello. Oh, you couldn't hear us knocking?
So, let's see. So for question 10, sorry about that.
Dylan, is that your house?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm going from house to house doing all my homework, and sometimes people come in and out in the living room, basically. I figured out what I did. On the part where next to residuals, I was pasting the information in there, and nothing was changing, and driving me nuts. And that's why.
Oh.
Because I had my screen moved over to where I couldn't see the far left side, and all I saw was this.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, sorry about that. You can keep.
It's all good.
So what'd you guys get for the slope?
12.695.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I put on that the lowest table right above the scatter plot, put 4 for the x, and then it gives you the predicted value. Next.
Oh, right.
Oh.
Huh.
Okay, so I got 69.469.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the same thing. 59.
So looking at 12, I think we just have to put 6 in instead of nothing. They don't.
Yeah, that's like what sound like what the hint's trying to tell us.
Yeah. So that would be 94.859.
Yeah. Yeah, on all these group quizzes, like what stunts me is like trying to like overthink it. Like it's just like being simple.
Yeah. Like this next one. How many explanatory variables are present in simple linear regression? Just one, isn't it?
Let's see. So independent and dependent. Yeah, so there's one for 13 and one for 14, right?
Stop. Wait.
Oh,
sorry.
sorry.
Okay, for question 12. Sorry. So I put 6 in the x variable, and I got 94.859.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Oh,
Yeah,
I thought you said
right there.
95
We got the same
point
thing.
something. Okay, good. Okay, because I'm like, wait a second. Okay, 94.8. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Proceed. Okay, so how many explanatory variables? What did you say about these? Sorry, I know you guys were already on to it.
I think there's just one each. I don't think there's any more than that. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, because you have your independent and dependent, the x and the y, so there's one each.
Right.
That's what we were saying.
Okay, a company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes. Meaning the company wants to predict size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? So is the response variable the size of the hat?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's being predicted.
Okay, because is the variable predicted? Yes. Okay. Agreed. Hey. Ooh, that was pretty quick.
Yeah.
So yeah, the size of the hat because it's a variable being predicted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
That's what I
Okay.
Yay.
Right.
Great
Awesome.
job, everyone. Okay, so for
So what
the
time Monday works?
I'm good
I can do the
anytime.
same time. Yeah, I can do the same time.
Like this time or like 9 a.m.?
At 9 a.m.
9
Mountain time.
a.m. is good. Okay.
Yeah.
9 a.m. Mountain. Okay.
And then I don't think I need anything for the. It's like pretty simple. For the which one is it? Describe the data.
Yeah.
All I have to do is write. It's like at least I think I have to write like 3 paragraphs describing what we've like come up with, and then add a couple graphs.
Okay.
And we're just great on like how well. So I'll do that, and I'll get it done by Friday night, and then I'll send it to you guys. Like I'll email it to you, and if you guys want to review it on Saturday morning or Friday night after I send it, like, and then just make sure it looks good. And once you guys say okay, I'll submit it. Does that sound good?
Great. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Do we all have to submit that,
No,
or is it okay?
just me.
Yeah.
So I'll just make sure I'll just send it to you guys so you can proofread it or whatever. And
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. I'm going to go ahead and submit the group collaboration, and then we should be good to go for this week.
Okie dokie.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
See you guys on Monday.
Yes, yeah.